Google Keyword Planner. This free tool from Google helps you find the right keywords to target in your videos. You can see how often keywords are searched for, the competition for those keywords, and get related keyword suggestions. TubeBuddy. This Chrome extension provides a variety of features to help you optimize your videos for search, including keyword research, competitor analysis, and video tagging suggestions. It also has a built-in rank tracker, so you can see how your videos are performing over time. vidIQ. Similar to TubeBuddy, vidIQ is a Chrome extension that offers keyword research, competitor analysis, and video optimization tools. It also has a social media management tool so you can easily promote your videos on other platforms. Ahrefs Keywords Explorer. This paid tool provides more in-depth keyword research than the free tools mentioned above. You can see the search volume, competition, and click-through rate for keywords, as well as related keywords and keyword difficulty scores. YouTube Studio Analytics. This built-in tool provides insights into how your videos are performing, including watch time, audience demographics, and traffic sources. You can use this information to see what's working well and what you can improve on.